Ooh.
Let's jump out there to go grab it.
Oh, I know he's running.
Hello everybody, I'm Richard Holdner, and as always, welcome to the channel. Today I got something new for you. It is an adventure to Florida. That's right, we're going down to look for the elusive Burmese python. That's right, California helping out Florida. I'm heading to Atlanta to meet my buddy Jimmy, go down with his two sons. We're doing a road trip from Atlanta down into Florida, and we're going to head to the swamp. Okay, the first thing we did was head from Atlanta, all the way down to 75 till we got into Florida. Then we headed down through Florida, all the way over here, down here, all the way down till we got into the Naples area. Here's where things got really fun. So once we're in this area, basically everything south of this 75, all of this in here, all of this in here, all of this in here, and here, and here. What we did was crisscross every road that we could find, went out and did recon, looked on all the roads, looked for python.
For another one.
I got it.
What is it?
Woo!
It's a
Watch it,
python,
watch
but
it.
It's a baby. Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's freaking awesome.
We killing him or what?
Yeah, we'll have to. Sucky too. Easy guy. Easy. I know. You want to bite. I'm not gonna let you bite me. I'm not gonna let you bite me. Hey, stop. Pooping all over me. Come here. Stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing. There you go. Somebody get a light over here so I can see his head.
Yeah, I got you.
There we go.
Ooh, he's a feisty boy.
Oh yeah, he's wanting to be bitey.
Oh, that's awesome. You can't shine your light on it. My camera can't pick it up. Wow. That is... Ooh. Look at the fangs on that thing.
Yeah, he's definitely wanting to bite.
Yeah.
Yeah, first berm.
Yeah.
Here's what we spent 5 or 6 hours a night doing. Basically, you're cruising down the road, hanging out the vehicle. You get your brights on, obviously, until another car comes along. But you got spotlights. You're hanging out the window, spotlights over to the side, looking in the grass, just trying to find some snakes. If this sounds like your idea of fun, you've come to the right place. During the day, we'd go out on recon missions, which meant wading through the swamps, which is kind of cool. We're trying to look for snakes and look around and see if there are any good areas that we might then come out at night. That's right.
Just in case I get
walking
attacked.
through the swamps at night. We really spent most of our time driving down the roads. It was much easier. And this maybe didn't seem like such a great idea, especially later on, as we would find out that the big things come out at night. Some of the trails were definitely better than others. On one of the recon trips, we managed to see not one, but 2 black racer snakes. They disappeared very quickly, thus the name. We also stumbled on this soft-shell turtle, which was very, very cool, but he was kind of out in the middle of the road, so we wanted to get him off and make him safe so he didn't get run over.
Okay, you're okay. I know you're probably getting warm. Okay, there you go.
Another invasive species we found on one of our recon trips was this Asian swamp eel. It's not supposed to be there. And we didn't catch this. We actually saw it on the side of the road because I saw a hawk sitting there eating something on the side of the road. And I thought, well, hawks often, prey on snakes and stuff, so let's stop and check it out. So we walked up and took a look, and the hawk flew up into the tree to look at us and see what we were doing and wondered why we were bothering his meal. And it turned out to be this Asian swamp eel. So after we left, the hawk came back down and finished his meal. Hey, Jimmy, let's go right down here.
Yeah.
fish in there too. Check out this guy. Yeah. Should I dive in and get him?
Oh yeah. I'll throw my shirt on his eye, over his eyes.
I think I got this. We managed to spot a gator, a couple of snakes, and even that very cool soft-shell turtle during the day. But things get really dicey in the swamp when the sun goes down. The swamp is a whole different place at night. You know, it's a really bad idea? Walking off by yourself.
Oh, oh my God. Wow. He is massive.
And there he goes.
That's insane.
That was all kinds of prehistoric.
Is there any other on the sides? Yeah, you always want to worry about the one that you don't see.
Yeah, somebody look behind me.
Oh,
Oh my God.
wow. He is massive.
Dang.
And there he goes.
That's
That was
insane.
all kinds of prehistoric.
There we go. That guy right there. Hey dude, what's up? It's coming up, guys.
Is
Yeah.
he? Out of the water?
Yep. It's coming up to see me.
Oh, that's cool. He wants us to catch him.
I think. Dude, I will catch you. 'Cause I'm crazy like that. Or he's distracting us for another one.
I know. That's how the velociraptors work.
Exactly.
Pretty cool back here, huh?
Yeah, for real.
And this guy could come out of the water, by the way. Right here.
Oh yeah, dude, look at his foot. His foot is huge. Oh, what's up, laddie? Yeah.
Hey, I would, James, Jacob, back up. That's not the move with him.
That's definitely the one that got cut.
Right? Dude, he's a little bit older.
He's eyeing you.
Yeah, look at him.
That's the stink eye.
He's staring at me.
Is he a bad eye?
Wipe his eye off so we can see better.
Yeah, alright.
Hey, dude. Oh, you're good.
Wow.
That's crazy. Jacob's like dangling his leg over. Are you hungry, buddy?
Yeah. Have a leg.
That's gonna be awesome. You take your light off him, and then you come back and he disappears.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, dude. That's really awesome. He's
His-
a big one. He's a
His
big
foot
boy.
is like as big as my foot.
Dude, he's a big boy. Look at that. I know his feet are big.
Yeah. He got bubbles. Oh, what's up, laddie?
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a jumper right there.
Dude, I would be careful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, I would, James, Jacob. back
Yeah,
up.
do not fall in there.
That's not the move with him.
That's definitely the one that got chubbed.
Right?
Neck came out.
That's a BAT.
As much as we like seeing the big alligators in there, it was kind of awesome, but it was cool to see the little guys too. We saw a couple of them. There's a little guy hanging out on a log.
No, Mama's nearby.
Find out what's going on. Checking us out. Going, I think I'm going to go over here away from the people with the spotlights.
Who's in that?
Who's in there?
You think if one of us jumped out there to go grab
Oh.
Mama would come in?
Yep.
Yeah.
You think Mama can see us right now?
Mama's probably watching her baby.
Yeah, go ahead and get us. It's a good idea.
It's like, yes, I'm going there.
Put on the waders. Go grab him.
He would get away. They're not slow.
Oh yeah, I mean he'd wag that tail and get out of there real quick.
Well, look around. There might be more.
Yeah.
You doing video, Jimmy?
Yeah.
Is it any wonder that they have signs like this around the waterways in Florida? Just look what's underneath. Hey, Richard, there were lots of gators, but did you find any other snakes? Oh, we found snakes.
Good one.
He's a constrictor too. Just
So that is a moccasin, I believe. It's crazy, huh?
he's like, don't touch me, mate. These things get big.
Oh, dude.
Oh
These
yeah.
things get 7-8 feet. What'd you think?